In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can turn on voice chat here in Rocket League. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, from the main menu, what you're going to want to do is actually navigate to your settings. And once you're in your settings, go ahead and go over to this little chat section right here and just scroll down and make sure that you have voice chat enabled on here. If you still can't talk, go ahead and make sure that push to talk is not enabled unless you want to use it, and make sure that it's also set to open mic. Open mic essentially means that your microphone activates automatically when you speak, and if push to talk is on, that means you have to press a button every time you want to talk. Next, you're going to see a preferred voice chat option. Go ahead and set this to whatever you would like, whether you want it to be party chat or quick chat or match chat. It really is up to you. Choose whatever option works best for you, and I'd recommend just keeping these on for everyone no matter what if you are having any issues. Now, if you are on like a console, for example, like PlayStation, you may need to check your PlayStation microphone settings or Xbox microphone settings. You can do this just by going to the microphone settings and just make sure that the correct microphone is set. For example, if you're on a PlayStation, DualSense controller mic might be what's selected when you're trying to use your headset mic. Just go ahead and change that and then adjust the mic level. And after adjusting everything, back out of your settings and join a match or a party and just test your mic. But that is it. That is how you could fix and turn on voice chat here in Rocket League. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.